Namaskar and welcome to this third video of Sangam CRM. Today we are going to talk about how to create templates with field variables from various modules. So what we are trying to create here is an email to one contact where we are getting fields from the company's records also. So we are involving two modules, and just let me show you how to do it. So in last video we had seen how to create generic templates. I'm including the link to that video. You can see that. So that was created using generic, and now we use module wise, and we'll have to select contact, and the related module can be accounts. And then you create and here write all the fields and whatever you want to create. So I have a ready-made template here which I had just created, and I have used variable contact name from the contact module. I have used variable account name from the account module, and I also used industry from the account module and city from the account module. So I'm using variables from the two different modules to send this email, and I'm also using phone number from the contact menu. And when I send this, let's see what happens. By the way, I also have a similar template to be used in the WhatsApp. It also has variables from the both the modules. And I have this contact Mr. Ramkrishna Raghuvanshi. That's the mobile number, and this is email ID. Ramkrishna Raghuvanshi is working in Ramkrishna Enterprise, and Ramkrishna Enterprise is this. It is from chemical industry and the address is Vapi. So let's see this in action. So if I click on sending email, I have to select template, reconnect to old customer for a chat. Say yes, and your template is ready, and just say send. This is how your email will look. It is perfectly formatted, and by the way, this email looks great on the mobile screen also, as you can see on your screens. We can also send WhatsApp to this person. So here also you select that same template. Here it is populated and say send. This will take to your WhatsApp, and you have to just press send. That's it. Your work is done. So that was about how to use templates with variables in Sangam CRM. Stay tuned, we will be launching more videos very soon, and I would be very happy to know your suggestions and observations and comments on these videos. So please do share them. Thank you very much.